previously on African Language Rizz Worldcup. If you didn't watch the Zulu episode, you are missing out. Go watch the episode. It's still there. Please subscribe. Please.
Hey, who wants smoke? Yeah. You know I got some more. Yeah. If niggas break the code, yeah, y'all better let me know.
Hi, Molweni, guys. I am back with another banger. Dimta says, we can't actually break it. You're not stress, I'll pull on a school up. Podcast is a lose of yeah. Stress aside, laughs are high. So, guys, I'm trying this season 1, episode 2. Yeah, African Rizz Language World Cup. Guys, we have to take some time and learn new languages. You feel me? This could help us learn how to talk to the mommy. You feel me? But hey, man, it's not about that. Nah. So namhlanje buyile guys. This is season 1, episode 2. If you didn't watch the Zulu episode, please check it out. Nuances Zulu episode. If you didn't watch this episode, guys, you are missing out. You're not missing out. You are missing out, guys. Come on, guys. Let's keep on watching. Thank you for the support. I can't lie. The Zulu video. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. The Zulu video really done what it had to do. It got views. Thank you for the people that took their time to watch this guy. This guy. Who the hell is this guy coming up with a new thing called African Language Rizz, African Language Rizz World Cup? What the heck is that? Nah, watch and find out that it is. Here we have fun. We don't care. We just don't care. We say whatever we want to say. If you wanna say something, you say it. Fair to sosbulawele ile loser. Freedom of speech yako. So it's your own freedom of speech. If you want to say something, say it. And what I'm saying is, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, tell your friends to tell their friends, tell their friends and their dogs. Ngoba inja iphambene namhlanje. Yeah, guys, the goat is here. So namhlanje we are doing the Nigerian language. We wanna know what the Nigerian niggas got for us. Do the Nigerian niggas got Rizz like that? Like, come here, let me split your nyash like a loaf of bread. You follow me? Something like that. Come here, let me split your nyash like a loaf of bread. Wait, let me do it proper. Hey, mommy, come here, let me split your nyash like a loaf of bread. Mommy, come on, give me that thing now. Give me that thing now. Obina. We are Nigerian today. Take me to Nigeria. Take me to Angola. Take me to Nigeria. Guys, we're doing the Nigerian, so today I'm gonna be speaking straight up Nigerian. No closer, just Nigerian. Because we're doing the Nigerian brothers. My brothers from the other mother, from the African mother. The Nigerian brewers, the Nigerian brothers, Iwe to the nation. So yeah, guys, today we're gonna look at what we have, what we can do, what the Nigerians have. You saw the Zulus, they set the bar so high, guys. So now we have to work hard, very hard. The other languages have to come with bangers. So we don't know what the Nigerians are bringing for us, but I have hope in my African brothers. You know what they say, Africa, the motherland. Come on, guys, let's not waste any time. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Now that was I think that was like Sean or something like that. I think that was Sean. But we don't care. It's still part of Africa. It is still part of Africa. Watch me speak that Nyash language. Come here, Bombo Clat. So today we're gonna watch Nigerian Rizz. Let's get it. The first video.
No, when I held your hands earlier, I was full of joy.
So
You know why?
there's no
Because
recovering from
finally,
this.
I can tell my friends that I know how it feels to hold that angel. But aside that, I'm scared for you. There's a reason why. Because after today, your driver's license might be suspended with the way you are driving me crazy.
Oh my brother! I saw that line coming from a distance.
I answer. We can't get finance. Every single room you walk into literally turns into a museum. Do you know why?
Why?
When I walk over at my point, just looking at you, I can already see the wall. I don't need those guys in Texas, the cheap NASA. I don't need them. With you, I can see the wall. I've heard a lot of people talking about what they want to do after this place. So, I would like to show you a lot of other things. The stars, the universe, and you could even get to feel the music.
Come on.
I'm responsible for what I say. You're responsible for what you think. We all know about science and we know about the Milky Way. Now, if you are thinking something else, it's not my fault.
It's not his fault.
Dubai, though.
I want some milk.
She wants
I want the milk.
Give me the milk.
Hey! No.
Yo. Nah. She can't do that. Nah. Why she reject my brother from another mother? Why are you doing that? Did you hear what the guy is saying? When you walk in a room, it's like it turns into a museum. Through you, I can see the world. Come on, man. Why? We know science. I could show you the stars. I could show you the universe. Or even take you down the Milky Way. Treat me like I said. Let me run it back. I could show you the stars. Listen. Listen. I don't know if I'm gonna land it, but if it does land, then it lands. But I'm gonna make it land. Don't worry, I got you. Listen. We know about science. This is a line, guys, you can use. I got it from my Nigerian brother, so I'm gonna do it in a Nigerian accent. We know about science. We know about the science. I can take you to the stars. I can take you. Man. I'm floppy. No. We know about science. I could give you the stars, show you the universe, or even take you down the Milky Way.
Treat me like what you don't get me dirty.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm getting the lines, me here, Baba. I'm cooking up my own lines. But yeah, on to the next video. Yeah. No, my nigga cooked there, I can't lie. Let's see what this is.
Hi.
I'm Domi, and are you Nigerian?
No.
I don't know what that means, but it seems like he hasn't even landed his line. Give him a chance, give him time. What the fuck? Nah, my brother, you making us lose now. What are you doing? Come on now. What are you doing, my brother? What are you doing? Yeah, she's from Nairobi, but she's still a bad bitch. You, my brother, come on, my brother, come on. But like, I can't lie. The nigga got straight to the point. Let's not lie. The whole point is to get straight to the point. Cause like, peep it. When now you answer, trying to be the good guy and be like, okay, you want to smash the hand, ne? Let's say you want to smash, ne? But like now, you are turning in that way of, yeah, me, I'm just a guy, like ish. Me, I love, ne? But like ish. What example could I use? Yeah, but like ish. I believe Han, you must love them more than whatever. Yeah, blah blah blah. Those hands, they hear that shit every day. I'm a different nigga. Niggas are all the same, but me, I'm different. I could give you the world. I could give you like the thing, the whole universe, bro. Like, bro, those things, bro. Just get them. I wanna crack. Just let me crack, bro. Chai. Let me crack. Can I crack? Can you give me the right to crack? Let's crack. Hey, shorty. Wanna crack? How you play? How you play? How you play? How you play? Hey, shorty. Wanna crack? Chai. You don't even need to ask the name. She says no. She says no. She says yes. You got it. You got it. Chances of her saying no, that's slim. What's the worst you could say when you say you wanna crack? We're all hungry out here. We're all hungry. Unless she's getting service every day, she's gonna say no. Unless she's getting service properly, she's gonna say no. Unless she's not into you, she's gonna say no. But if she says, damn, this nigga like, yeah. But I say yes, trust me. Trust me, guys. I should open a Rizz school. But I don't have Rizz like that. I must start with myself. I'm lying. I choose not to Tetana Mandomazano because it's a lot of work for him. And me, I'm focused on something else, something bigger, something more. Yeah, but so Amangara, bruh, nah, not now, bro. Not anytime soon. Maybe in the next 4 years, 5 years. Yeah, you see. So like, yeah, guys. This is Mcholo. After like 5 years. And then they're asking and they're this guy, what sometimes in life you have to stop some things, bruh, to focus on what's gonna take. Remove the distractions and focus on your way, bruh. Me, I'm telling you, bruh. People wanna always talk, bruh. They're always gonna talk, bruh. But the very same people that are gonna be talking, telling you, nah, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. They're not gonna be breaking bread for you when it's chai. When you are suffering, they're not gonna be giving you the bread. They don't even give you a piece of a crumb, like, oh, chow. Listening to everyone. That's what living around people means. The world doesn't revolve around you. The people in the world you revolve around the people in the world. Fair too. No one must tell you when they say jump, how high, ayikho londo. Wena bawuzibonela into yakho yenze. Abathethayo bathethile, and for the fact that bethetha, bayijongile babona ba hayi shem, uyayibulala lo mjida makangayenzi. Yabo, so do what you wanna do. Do whatever you wanna do, except the wrong things. Don't do the wrong things. No.
Let him cook.
Let him cook.
I actually came from Philly, yeah? So I came to ask you, do you like kids? You like kids? I like kids too. Yeah, we could make awesome kids together.
Nah.
Honestly, I actually looking super gorgeous and pretty. So I can meet you because I'm gay.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm gay.
Let's have it.
Okay.
I'm deeply attracted to you.
Hey.
So, you know, my name is Dave. You can call me Bam Billy, and then Bam Billy don't do it.
It's okay.
Do you like
Dumb body. Do you like goat meat?
Come on. Look like a real. You model. Honestly, I think you should model. Because I'm a photographer. I'd like to take and give you pictures from the back, back shots.
Boy.
Every
time of the night.
My boy's cooking.
That's a song very fabulous, isn't it? Is it cool if I like take your number and for the pictures like at my place? Do you hug?
Nah, these niggas don't miss.
Oh, the hug is very wholesome.
Nah. Did you hear that? He literally said, what did he say? Conjure? Oh, he said, you should model, or are you a model? You should model. Nah, wait. There's some part I want to hear. Oh, he's like, you like goat meat? Man. You get it, if you don't get it, forget about it, bro. Oh yeah, maybe I get it, because also me, I'm a goat. Man. Hey, yo, shawty. You like cooked meat? Meh. Okay, leave it at the problem. Hey, yo, shawty. You like cooked meat? Meh. I feel invincible. Okay, let me run it proper. Shawty. You like cooked meat? Man.
Treat me like white teeth.
Nigga, like what the fuck? Niggas like, okay, the Nigerian Brewellers, they're like, I could say, low key. They give off like trust niggas, they compare anything to anything, like you to anything, bro. Like, no, not like to you to anything. They use anything and it works out as a Rizz line, bro. Because the nigga literally said, are you a modeler? I think you should model and I'll be a photographer so that I can take pictures of your bag shots. Hella. Hang English. I said hang English. Hella. Bag shots. Come on, Shadi. You should be a modeler and I'll be the photographer. Yeah. You should be the modeler and I'll be the photographer. I'll take you pictures from the back. We can call that back shot.
Treat me like white teeth. Don't get me.
I'm telling you, we're ending it. Nah, Brody got it. I can't lie. Nah, Brody got it. Nah. The Nigerian niggas, I can't lie. You see, the first two gents, Yarobi, and it's the first one is what is the nigga's name? Oh, that nigga that was talking on some we know science. I can show you the stars. I can show you the universe, and I can take you down Milky Way, or I can take you to Milky Way, or something like that. That nigga and Yarobi. Nah, those niggas actually cooked, bruh. Let me tell you why, bruh. Cause like that nigga who was talking, okay, that nigga he cooked. The first nigga cooked. The Milky Way guy, he cooked. It's just that the hunt didn't. I think the hunt said no, but she ended up enjoying it at the end. But the Yarobi guy, I can talk for that nigga. Nah, I can talk for him, guys. Listen. Mamela apane. Jonga umchita. Go straight to the point. What most niggas fear getting straight to the point. That's why banga yenzi. Londo. They fear getting straight to the point. And umchita, he literally got straight to the point. Watch about half until you're a bad bitch. You bad bitch, boy. Oh, you bad bitch. Bad bitch, boy. Hashtag bad bitch. Petty farming, yes, petty farming for the petty farming.
You are watching a master at work.
Hey, hello.
That work.
Good evening. How you doing? Oh, your beauty is woof. Finest thing I've seen this week. Yeah, you're welcome. I actually stopped you because I'm trying to shorten the distance from my heart to yours. And damn, you have such a killer smile. Is that dimple I see? No, I've got dimples too, you know.
He's cooking.
I can see he's cooking.
Is that as deep as yours? No, but the other things are, you know. I don't want to start off like that. That's bad. Don't mind me. What's your name, by the way? Anifa. Well, nice to meet you. But my friends call me a Rizz. It's a Greek word. You know what that means? It means the one for you. Man, I love your smile. I mean, I feel like your smile should come with a warning label because you're serving looks right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Anifa, yeah? What do you do anyways? Okay. Sorry? You're a chef?
Guy's gonna cook.
You're a chef? Well, I cook too.
Let him cook now.
I'm for real. I do. I mean, I specialize in the aspect of making things melt. You know, for example, your heart. I have all the ingredients to make your life delicious. You know what I'm saying?
Nah!
So I don't break.
Nah! He's not done! Nah!
In the long run, I have to ask you a very important question. So, Anifa, do you have a man? You have a man?
Hey!
No, don't tell me sorry. I'm not going anywhere. You might have a man, but I'd like to be your man of the moment.
You're already, already in the moment.
I'm ready in the moment. So okay, like what's going on here?
She's folding.
Yeah,
She's
you
folding
must
just
know.
like that.
Bread and butter, white rice and pepper.
Well, I like what I'm hearing. And I'd love to have your number. You wouldn't mind?
We don't get money, but we
this.
get doings.
You know, we're in the rainy season right now. Did you also know that it's the season of love? You're not aware. Well, now you did. And yeah, it's been raining cats and dogs since the week started. I can't even control the weather right now. If I could, I'll rain kisses whenever I see you, because you're clothed for this weather.
Bro, it's just too cold.
Tell me something. What do you like more in a relationship, anyways? Quality time. That's your love language. But I've got the time in the world for you, baby.
Matatata. Obvious gift.
Gifts, okay. I got you. I'm a Rizz. I told you, don't call me Rizz for nothing. Yeah, what else?
I don't talk to you about relationships.
Do you feel like I've been lying to you since I'm standing here?
I don't know.
But do you feel like what I'm saying is genuine? Talk to me. But do you feel like we can work? Okay. Yeah, no, yeah, sure, Devs, I got you. What's your WhatsApp line, innit? I'm gonna text you. You have nothing to worry about. It was nice to meet you again, Anifa. What else can I call you? That's your what? That's your only name you have. Okay, so should I call you Anifa now or call you later tonight?
Boy, if you don't stop. Nah. Fear Nigerian brews. Fear my Nigerian brewers. Iwe. I'll take me to Nigeria. Take me to Nigeria. I'll take me to Nigeria. Fear them niggas. You. Did you hear that? Bar after bar. Niggas just spamming. She turns to the camera. She turns to the Echo. Sliding. Sliding. Respect the Nigerian brewers. Oh shit. That shit made my lips white. Respect the Nigerian brewers, bruh. Respect them. Cause like that's what we've been looking for, bruh. Nah, that's what we've been looking for, bruh. Come on, episode 2, let's get it. Episode 2, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Nah. This nigga cooked. I can't lie. Mayor Frosh. Shout out Mayor Frosh. At Mayor Frosh. Mayor_Frosh on TikTok. Shout out to that guy. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, Mayor Fresh. Shout out to you, bro. Nah, bro. You cooked. Bro. Shout out to you, bro. Take me to Nigeria and let's eat the Nigerian mommies together. They must give me that fufu. I want fufu from the Nigerian mommy. The South African mommy too toxic. Those ones. South African mommies. Man, question of the day. Why are you toxic? Yeah. Isn't that his tetayo? Isn't that his tetayo? Isn't that his zenzayo? Ayini. Maqhazana amahle nenzanto nani toxic shame ani azibethi way bodhe yeta benikenda ngizijonge nyiwe yabo dibana yenye post foneni ithi la post guy ithi ladies, let's cheat on our men, they are stronger than us, they'll recover. Hayi ntombazane, zithande ungayenzi londo. Umama wakho angayithanda uyiva londo ithetha wena kuthiwa umntana akuposte lento. Umama wakho angayithanda anathanda ungayenzi londo. Mama wakho ayikhulisile ufuna ukutshade wena wabeze waperisha along the way. Boneni so ngivula amasango singene fonini avula amasango ndingene ay wena yela like serious bra but crash I might believe I conjalo guys at the end emasenze so ne this is a deal at the end of this season Yale way, ne, Yale World Cup this season. I'm gonna reveal my crush. Yeah, I'm gonna put a picture right there. A picture live. I'm gonna reveal my crush. Ha. You guys won't believe who's my crush. That's the thing. Crush him intle guys. Intle. Yeah, ish. What's it? What's yo? Umhlaba siphila ku. Hlonipha umhlaba boy. Hloniphe nempilo. Last one.
Let him cook.
It's not in your face like this. You think you should clean it?
What?
It's not in your face. I think you should clean it.
Clean this.
Clean this. Not in your face here.
Here?
Yes, clean it. Oh, you cannot clean. It's beauty. You cannot clean.
Oh boy.
Anyways, you look absolutely beautiful. Until I let you go, it's going to be a very huge mistake. So if I'm not mistaken, miss, are you taken?
Miss, are you taking miss?
Where you from?
Delta.
Like Niger Delta, is it?
Yeah.
Good. I'm from the UK. It's not like I'm lying, no. So what's your name?
Gitimi.
Gitimi?
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Dave, but people call me Head Boy.
Word.
Why?
Yeah.
The truth is, if you go home with me right now, as expected.
I see what you done there. I see what you done there. No, I see what you done there. I see what you done there. Nah, I can see. Nah, I see.
I like the fact that you're very pretty and I like to make you my sweetie, so you can now have the contact. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
She understand.
Exactly. 2 years now.
Oh, okay. Sure.
She feeling the boy. Yeah, feeling.
Very sorry. I think it's very guys are hot. That's why this is hot.
Oh, wow. Okay.
She built like Thames. I'm having that for real. If she built like Thames, I'm going under her terms and conditions. You. If she built like Thames, I'm going under her terms and conditions for real. You. Nah, I see what he done there. This bruella, bruh. Is that You can call me Head Boy. Listen. You can call me Head Boy. You know why? If I take you home right now, as expected, expect head for him. Niled, bras, simple uteta, kuteta. The Nigerian brewers, it's Zulu and Nigeria. So far, that's how it is. I feel like Zulus, I'ma give them like Zulus, man, I'ma give them like what rating could I give the Zulus? The Zulus were tough, I can't lie. That's why I'm saying they set the bar so high. But the Nigerians, they tried to catch up. So I'm gonna give the Zulus the score of 50. 50 right now. The Nigerians, because I didn't say it in the last video how much I rate them. I give them the score of 50 right now. The Nigerians, I give them the score of you're lying, 45. Nah, these niggas are good, bruh. I got some lines, bruh. I'm gonna spam that line, bruh. None of this. We know science. I could show you the stars. I could show you the universe. But I can definitely take you down the Milky Way. Oh. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, tell your friends to tell your friend. Don't forget, next episode, be there or be told. Be there or be told. Because you know what? We're still in the shit. African Language Rizz Worldcup. Stay tuned to find out which languages are qualifying. Because these languages we're taking now, we're looking at now. We're gonna watch I think how many languages? I don't know. We still have Swahili. I think Siswati also. We still have Afrikaans. I think we're gonna watch 8 or 9 languages. Out of that 9, how many are gonna qualify? Okay, 9, man. 10. Yeah, 10. Knockout stage. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Yeah, hey, Met and Bet. Met and Bet. Iman, guys, Iman. That's why Met. Okay. Who's a qualifier happy? I'm not qualified. Who's a qualifier 8? Straight to knockout stages 8. What's the knockout stages? We changed the episode a little bit. We're watching both languages at the same time. So we're gonna start with the language versus the other language, and the language versus the other language, and we see. But the Nigerians right now, they currently sit on 45. Can any other language beat what the Nigerians brought for us? The Nigerians failed to beat the Zulus, but now can they beat? Can they stay in top 2? Because the team we're taking from number 8, going down, going up, down, down, going down. So from 1 to 8, those are the teams that qualify. So yeah, watch out, I got you.